Good day, ma'am and sir. First of all, let me introduce myself in front of you. My name is Giselle Casipong. I am single and I have one son. I am 28 years old and I graduated high school and I came here from Philippines. I have so many works experience before, ma'am, but I want to include to you I also a house helper before. I work there for 3 years, August 2016 until December 2019. I served 4 people in the family, 3 adults and 1 baby, ages 2 years old. My duty there is to feed the baby, do laundry, go market sometimes if needed, and also serve the entire and clean the entire house. I am a hardworking person, ma'am and sir, and also you can trust on me. I will follow everything what you need to say for the sake of the whole family to be good. I decided to work abroad, ma'am and sir, because I see the very big opportunity there. Because here in the Philippines, the salary here is very, very low. Because I have a son, I have a mother, and I have a siblings. I want to help. I want. I want to support my children. I want to support my child until he goes, because he goes school now in fourth grade. I want to support what he needs, what he needed for school, for food, and also I want to help my mother because we don't have a father now already. My father already died 5 years ago, and also I have a little siblings, and I want to help them because they also go school, and I have 6 siblings, and I am the second. I hope you include me to your family, ma'am and sir, to serve you, to serve your whole family. And I will assure I can do my best to support your family and to serve your family. I will do my best. And I hope you will include me to your family, and God bless and thank you.